How to fix Snapchat allow camera on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat allow camera on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here just type here Snapchat and click on it, and now go to permissions and here we'll find camera, click on it and click allow. You will find it like that, and just click camera and allow it, and that's it. Then just go back, restart your phone and try again, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it, it's easy. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.